card recharged now, so I'm heading to the bus. I'm so excited right now. This is a Monday morning, so there is rush. Trust Lagos, Nigeria. Everybody is just trying to hurry up. As you can see, there is a queue, so I'm just going to join the queue now. Alright, so this is the queue for the sitting, but from the look of things, this queue is too long, so I think I'll just go to stand. So this is the queue for the standing, right? Yes. So those that want to sit are entering the bus now, but because I'm late, I need to be there on time, so I have to join the standing. So I'll stand in the bus. I beg. I don't fish out. So guys, it's time for those that want to stand. So yeah, no, I don't want my face to show in this part. I'm actually a YouTuber, so YouTube, yeah. So a vlog. Yes, I'm going for my convocation, so I'm videoing the carrying followers along. Right, so it's my turn now. Welcome. Okay. So I just got in the bus. Welcome.
Why you no answer,
guys,
Baba?
as you can see, your girl is standing in the BRT bus. The crowd is so much.
Why you no answer, Baba?
So that was I had no choice but to stand. Okay. Okay guys, there is a little hold up, because it's a Monday morning in Lagos, Nigeria, so but I'll sure get to school very soon guys, so wait, I can't wait to round up my clearance. So guys, as you can see, I just got to the school, so I'm going to cross the road now and go inside and see what is happening and see what. So guys, I'm going up now to get my gown. I'm so excited right now, like I'm done with my clearance and it's time to collect the gown. So guys, I just realized that I'm supposed to make a photocopy of my front page of my clearance, which I've not done, so I'm going to do that now. So I'm here to make a photocopy, as you can see. Okay guys, this is where we are collecting the gowns, as you can see. So I'm just waiting for my turn and I'll get my gown. So guys, as you guys can see, this is rush hour. Everybody wants to get their clearance done and get their gown. So we are all trying to meet up. So I'm here in school now for my clearance. So guys, that is it. So guys, this is where I'm going to be doing my clearance. As you can see, students, this is where I'm going to do my clearance. When I'm done, I'll go and eat. Guys, this is the entrance of my school. I'm going to be bidding my school farewell now. Like farewell. I want to go and get food to eat in the school canteen here before I continue my struggle. I want food, man. I'm very hungry. Please, you have swallow. So guys, this is me in the school canteen. I love mirrors a lot, so I'm trying to look at myself. It's not really easy, guys. I'm so excited. So let me go and get my food away. You say a portion is how much? 2 portions of jollof rice. Moi moi is how much, please? 1 moi moi. What about egg? Okay, let's do it like this. 2 portions of jollof rice, 1 moi moi, 1 egg, plantain 100 naira, and 1 pomo. Then 1 beef. I want it to be very full. I'm very hungry. So guys, this is my food. This is what I'm going to be eating. I'm very hungry, so when I eat, I'll go back and continue with these activities, guys. So I'm taking it with this water. So guys, my sister just came here. Hi there. She's also doing her own clearance too as well. How now?
Fine.
You've not even started, you are tired already. Come on, go and join the line. So my sister is feeding her own. Look at her. She's just starting with her registration and she has a lot. Hey, whoa. Oh, this very well. So she's feeling her own now, starting with her clearance today, as you guys can see. So she'll go and start signing them one by one. So that's what she's going to be doing for now. So this is Vero struggling to submit. Look at her. She's struggling to submit. Want to submit it again?
I'll pay the money.
They don't want to submit it again.
Yes, so
Let's give by.
let's go and sign it. Wait, after because
What happened? Come now. She have submitted it. What happened now?
Just come back.
Oh yeah, come back. Okay. Come.
Hi guys, so I'm so excited right now. I'm done with my clearance, as you guys can see. So it's farewell to my school. Like this is day 1 right now. The competition is on Thursday, which is day 4. So I'm so excited. See you guys on Thursday when I'm going to the airport to fly. Like I'm going to miss my school, and that's it. The journey of 2 years, because COVID just started everything. 2 years is coming to an end on Thursday, guys. So I'm so excited. Thank you. See you in my next video.
Okay, Vero, what is your experience so far as a master's degree holder? Peace studies.
See, I feel so excited. I don't really lie about it. Like, I can't even explain how I feel because I've been through a lot of stress. You can see under this sun, this is what I've always been through from my course registration, my exam registration, writing exams. See, but it's been God all the way. So I thank God and I'm grateful. Wait. I'm standing out, kind of, you know.
Hey, you're giving that. Gege. See, your friend is graduating, or you are not coming today. Bye bye.
So like I was excited, and then I just resumed my final clearance from my uni, and I'm super grateful. Okay.
So now give it up to the newest master's degree holder. Gege, give that. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is 1 a.m. and I am packing. I'm feeling sleepy already. I'm packing for this my convocation. So I want to show you guys what I'll be wearing. It's nothing serious, it's just 2 of my gowns. That's what I budgeted for this trip. And this is my bag. As you can see, this is my bag. And let's see, I actually selected some clothes from here, but I don't know if I'll change my mind, so I'll just check and see if I'm okay, if I'm good with it. I'm having breakouts, see guys, I don't know why. I think it's stress, I think so. So now what am I going to do now? I bought a perfume that I like this perfume because the lady in the supermarket, there's a supermarket close to my house, she encouraged me to buy the perfume, so I bought. And I equally bought my body wash, the smaller version of it, so that it will make my bag heavy and it will now weigh. I don't want my bag to weigh more than it's supposed to weigh because I don't have money to pay for excess. So so that is it for now. So let me sleep, I'm tired. Hi guys, so like I'm about to leave the house now, and more than excited for my convocation. Like, this is like journey of 2 years, guys. I'm so happy. I'm running late for my flight, and this is farewell to Lagos for the next few days. So I'll be updating you guys. See you guys when I get to the airport, so you guys can see what is happening. Yeah, so I have my bag here. I'm just carrying this small bag here. This bag, I don't know if you guys can see it, just this one. So that's all I'll be carrying. So I'm waiting for my my Uber, so when it comes, off we go. See ya. Hey guys, so I'm at the airport now, and this is my supervisor. His name is Suketi. Say hello to my friends. Yeah, so it's the long I've met you. I'm so happy to see him today. Yeah. Alright guys, later. Alright.
Bag.
Hi guys, this is another my supervisor. So it's been long I've seen him, and I'm so happy. Why you bend down? No bend down. Tell my friends hello. Say hello. Hi. So it's been long I've seen him. I'm so excited to see him today. So that is it. See you guys in my next clip. So guys, I'm so excited. I'm going to wait now. I already have my boarding pass. So that is all for now. Farewell. See you guys in Abuja. Right now I'm thirsty, so I'll likely look for something to eat. Who is Vero? My sister is at the back. Let me go and get her. So guys, I'm approaching the screening point now. I'm going to screen my bag to go inside and wait. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I have my shoe here, and I'll just pass it in the belt. That's true. My phone is inside. Okay, I'm holding my phone. So the screening point was actually very interactively fun. The fan official was quite friendly. So I'll just find somewhere to sit down while I wait for boarding time. I'm still so happy. I can't wait. Okay, maybe I should just sit somewhere here. Yeah, I'll sit somewhere here. So guys, I just got somewhere to sit now, and I'll be here for now. I'll be here waiting for my sister while she comes. So we'll both be waiting for boarding time, guys.
Please remain seated. We're calling on all members of the Nigerian Armed Forces on those flights. Please proceed for boarding. All members of the Nigerian Armed Forces on those flights, please proceed for boarding. All military personnel on those flights, please proceed for boarding.
Hi guys, so we are at the boarding gate right now, and yes, Vero finally came to the boarding gate to meet me. So just go in now, and then it's actually very dark. It's not bright enough. I don't know. So we're actually very excited right now. Like, this is a long awaited day. This is the journey of 2019, like I've said. So there's one bus just came, but people are rushing inside, so we just wait for the next one. Everyone say hello to them now.
No, that one's coming.
Hi. So here we are. Let's get to the aircraft then. Okay. Then we'll say hi again. Hi Vicky. Hi. Hello. So guys, we just landed and we are waiting for our bags to roll in. It's coming out here. Come, let's go to that side. So we are waiting for our bags to come in. So this is Vero. Let's say hello to my friends. Hello. So guys, the bags have started coming in. As you can see, we are waiting for our bags. Guess what? My bag is the first. No, it's not my bag. It looks like my bag, actually. It's not my bag, so I'll just wait for mine. So guys, that is my bag coming. Finally, my bag made it through. I'm so excited. This is my bag. So Vero's bag is here finally. I can hear what is the blue one. I want to carry your bag. It's not your bag. It's your bag now. So guys, we are finally going out. So I'm so excited right now. Hey guys, so Vero, come now. So we're going out of the terminal now. Yeah. We're in Abuja. Welcome to this side. Come and show your face. We're in Abuja right now. So come and show your face now. Showing face. So we are going out of the terminal now, and welcome to Abuja. Guys, tell me welcome to Abuja. Tell me welcome to Abuja. I'm so tired, but I'm happy regardless. Hi guys, so you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just got to the venue now. Today is the first day, Thursday, 25th of March. So I'm right here in school right now. Behind me you can see that graduates have started coming. Today we are not wearing the convocation gown actually, so we are wearing it tomorrow. So I'll be updating you guys, and I'm so happy that finally we are here. This is Abuja, and this is my convocation. So the main event is tomorrow. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and before I say much, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop your comment section, share the video with your friends and family so that it will encourage them to subscribe as well. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. Be right back. Vero is here with Vero. Come now, tell us your experience.
The experience has been fine so far. We landed at Abuja yesterday. I'm sure you can tell from this video. I don't know what to put it all, but it was fine.
Let's see your face now.
It's worth every stress, you know.
Right.
Yeah. So
by the way, your nails are fine. Let me see. Show us now. Gay.
Yeah, so I'm excited. We're excited to be here today.
This is Abuja, Nigeria.
Yeah, it's a privilege. It's an honor. So
thank you, National Open University, for the opportunity to be a master's degree holder.
Do you know it's behind EFCC?
Yes, this is EFCC actually. EFCC Nigeria. Let me try to zoom it. This is EFCC headquarters. The big tall building. Yeah, that is EFCC. They are just opposite neighbors. So this is what we'll be doing for now, and while we wait for the next thing to do. Okay, so we are moving to the main pavilion.
Of the National Open University of Nigeria. I'm sure a lot of us are aware that this ceremony is a blended one, meaning thank you for your kind patience and attention, and in a very short
So the lecture is finally over.
The front.
I just in front. Yeah. Okay, guys. Sister Shide came here to support us today. Today is our day.
Congrats.
Today is our day, actually.
Today is your day.
So, guys, I'm going to get my seat now. We are all so much, so I'm trying to get a seat behind. So this is the procession. My vice chancellor is coming. So the event is about to officially start, guys. So this is where the master's degree graduates are staying, guys. This is where we're going up to get to our seat. So this is a closer view of the procession. My vice chancellor and the crew are going to sit down.
The congregation
So these are the deans of all the faculties, guys. Procession of the deans. So guys, we waiting for the procession to be over before we proceed to the event proper.
University of
As you can see. So guys,
Deputy Vice Chancellor, Technology, Innovation and Research,
what's the
Deputy Vice Chancellor, Administration,
how is the girl looking?
Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academics,
Flick.
the Vice Chancellor,
And this is the mantle.
members of the Federal Executive Council,
This is the
state
mantle.
governors, members of the National Assembly, and ultimately the visitors.
These are the members of National Assembly and the registrar. This event is happening live in Abuja, Nigeria, and we're waiting for the procession to be over before going into the event proper. And guys, this is my school anthem right now. Our turn right now. Yes, calling us now. It's our turn. So yeah, we can't wait. We can't wait. Master's degree. Thank you. So guys, this is the end of the program. So we are singing our national anthem. So this is the end of it. So I guess after our school anthem, we'll now collect our certificates. So guys, today is the day that I'm going to Silver Bed to cool off and to do little paparazzi, like to show you guys around. So I'm trying to get, they call it drop in Abuja, Nigeria. So that's what I'm going to get. I just got a drop now. Please, they're going to drop me at the gate. So okay, so I just got a drop now. So guys, I just got to Silver Bed, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'll be going in now to get one or two things. So guys, I just got to Silver Bed now. Guys, I just met a friend of mine. I'm not going to show you guys his face. Like, he's angry with me that I came close to him and I did not greet him and it didn't occur to me. So I'm apologizing to him right now. So I need him to really mean what he said by saying that he has said that. Why are you laughing? I'm not showing your face, don't worry. No, I'm not showing your face. I'm not showing your face. I won't show your face without your consent. So guys, I'm actually a YouTuber. So thousands of people are going to see you if I show your face without your consent. So I need your consent for that. So I'm apologizing to him, guys. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Am I forgiven?
Very, very forgive. I forgive and forget.
So can I show your face? Can I show my friends your face?
Oh, let me say hi to them.
Hi guys. All right. Thank you so much. What's your name?
I'm George.
My name is Victoria.
Victoria, nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you too. So you can check up my YouTube channel, Victoria Idoko.
Victoria
Idoko. Yes. Bye. Yes. No, I don't want. No, I'm. Okay, guys. Oh, I've even seen them. My eyes are very sharp. I think I can see. Look at them there. All right. Thank you. You want to enter my video? Guys, meet my new friends. I think he likes Shakarao. Hi. Say hello to my friends on YouTube.
The capital of Indonesia.
Okay, nice to meet you. Otapia Otamiemie.
Na Jakarta.
Jakarta. So guys, I'm about to go up to the Galleria Silver Bed upstairs. My friend here is actually has been of great help to me. Guys, you need to thank him for me. So the lift is here and I'll just go in now. I'll just go in now. Yeah, I'm scared. I'm scared, guys.
Yeah, you want to go with that?
I also don't know.
don't mean to go.
Have to go.
Everybody know I'm not go. What's happening?
That was so far yesterday night. I'm not finishing our work.
Are we going out? Are we going out?
Package.
Okay.
Third floor.
Okay.
Where the package? No, any package there.
No.
Which floor?
Alright guys, so I'm still in the elevator. I'm going up
Oh
now.
my God. Are you taking us to? Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. It's good the way someone is seated here. If not, people will just come and spoil this thing. Before you know it will spoil. Okay guys, I'm here.
Ladies first.
I'm here now. This is gallery, and as you guys can see, I think I should take a shot here. Let me take a shot here. So guys, I'm just going around to see what is happening. Good afternoon. Just going around to see what is happening. Like, the elevator down. This place looks dry today because I guess that is because this is a working day and people will probably be at work. So, alright, let me go down and show you guys another part of this gallery. Good afternoon, please. How much is your popcorn?
800. Wow, I got it.
You got it. How big is it? Because I want it to belly full me.
Okay, let me show you.
Yes, so I want it to belly full me. I'm very, very hungry. So this is the popcorn I'm going to be having. So I'm buying. Okay. So I'm going to get popcorn now.
Anybody coming here, we only buy tickets.
Okay. But for people like us that are just doing window viewing.
Nothing bad. So I'm gonna check the games.
Alright, take me there now. Let me show my friends. Sorry for my left hand, please. Okay, I'm on camera already. So guys, I'm here buying my popcorn. Like, I don't want to end the video because when I end it, it will be difficult for me to go back and back. So I'm just going to get it now. And my friend George is taking me around to see how Abuja Suwabe looks like. So we'll just go somewhere else. Now, where are we going to?
Games.
Okay, let me pause it. So guys, good afternoon. My name is Victoria and I'm a YouTuber and I'm just window seeing everywhere. How is your name?
Check the games. Yes, see what you like.
What's your name? Okay, I just met a new friend. His name is Emmanuel. I'm not going to show you guys his face without his consent actually, so he just directed us to go inside.
You can check out that video when you're done.
When I'm gone. So guys,
the one in charge of games.
Hello, my name is Victoria and I'm a YouTuber. Nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay guys, this is another section. As you can see,
This is Bola Cafe. This is the VIP side.
so this is the VIP side, just like he has said.
After development plans, we're gonna do Sheraton.
Okay, he said we can view Sheraton. This is Sheraton, Abuja.
This is International Mosque.
Central Mosque.
Yeah.
And this is what?
This is what is it called? PD.
I think petroleum something.
That is one of them.
Okay guys, when you are this VIP section, it's more like you can view the whole of Abuja. This is Abuja, Nigeria, guys. Where?
National Council for Art and Culture.
Okay, this is art and culture, guys. As you can see,
That's the view.
this is art and culture.
Then the blue house over there is Silverbird radio and television station here in Abuja.
Wow. Okay guys, thank George for me because I don't know if I've been here before, I've never been to this section, but it's really, look at us. Yeah guys, this is us. So it's taking me around and I'm really enjoying my stay here. All right, this is one of the best manager. House of Lunet. Okay, let me go inside. Oh, I'm even a sunshade person, so I'm here. Guys, this is House of Lunet, just at the entrance of Silverbed. I think.
Yeah, in Abuja.
Yeah, in Abuja, Nigeria. I'm actually a fan of sunshades, as you can see. I have mine here, so I love shades a lot.
Eyewear, optical glass.
Wow.
So, let me just sample one. Please,
okay.
Everybody be very careful. This is around 115K. 215. What is the discount?
There's a discount, guys. There's a discount. Wow. Hey, George the man. So guys, please. This is House of what? House of Lunet. Okay, I know these Lunets now. They're in MMIA.
Yeah,
I know Lunet very well.
The branch here in Abuja.
Okay.
When you go to Jabi Lake Mall, you see another branch there.
All right, guys. I will be going to Jabi Lake. So
all designers eyewear.
okay.
See how good I am on this.
George man. So guys, there are varieties here, as you can see. Bros, you did not even come and even talk to me. You did not come and talk to me.
I'm talking. No, me, I can't look for customers.
Okay, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Victoria Idoko and I'm a YouTuber.
Okay, my name is Basi.
Okay, nice to meet you, Basi. I'm not going to show you guys his face without his consent. If he gives me his consent, I'll show his face. Can I show your face? Hi, Basi. Hi. So guys, when you come to House of Lunet, this is the manager in charge. Look for him. His name is Basi. And please,
branches and I have other managers.
Okay.
Across the branch.
All right. Tell my friends. Tell them everything they need to know.
House of Lunet, we only carry authentic and luxury brand.
Okay.
We don't do let me say medium, like low brand, but we do only luxury brand here.
Okay.
And we are 100% authentic.
All right.
It comes with 2-year warranty on them.
Okay.
2-year warranty. It scratches, it peels, you can bring it back to the store.
Okay.
It's just a way of, instead of you traveling out to go get your original glasses, you can just come to any of our stores. We have other stores. We have in Kano, we have in Lagos, we have one at the airport, then we have one at the Lekki store, then we have another one in Jabi here, then we have another one in Silverbed here. Then we have
Abuja, Nigeria. Silverbed, Abuja, Nigeria. This is Nigeria, please.
Yeah, Abuja. We have 2 branches also in Abuja.
Okay.
Which is Jabi. Then we also have one in Kano also.
Kano State, Nigeria, guys.
Kano State, Nigeria. Thank you for correcting me.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
So guys, you've heard from the horse's mouth. Please patronize him for me, and when you come, please tell him that you're coming because of Victoria. You get a discount as well.
Definitely, you get a discount.
All right, nice to meet you, Basi.
Nice to meet you, Vicky.
So guys, when I came, this attracted me, and they say it's a toy, but it's moving. As you guys can see, please let me hold this. Let me go close to it.
That's a dinosaur.
Guys, this is a dinosaur. This is a toy.
Yeah. The veteran media 12D right here at Silverbed. So we have all the visual realities and every other thing.
Let me give it popcorn. So guys, this will be all. Okay, this is shop right.
Silverbed.
Silverbed, sorry.
This Silverbed Mall.
Silverbed Mall, as you guys can see, in Abuja, Nigeria. I bought the popcorn to make me hungry. So guys, my experience here has been very, very nice, and I've been enjoying my vlogging.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe at this junction. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video. See, liking this video is a way of telling YouTube that you really appreciate the video, and YouTube now extends it and recommends it to other viewers. So please like this video, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me get to meet you guys and tell me what you feel about my friend George. So, catch you guys. I'm still going to Jabi Lake Mall. We're still in Jabi, is in Abuja, Nigeria. So I'm going to show you guys what's going on there, what they have there. So stay tuned, guys, and subscribe to my channel.
Tell my
friends, tell me is still here. Guys, it's very funny. Thank you.
Okay, so guys, this is ShopRite in Jabi Lake Mall in Abuja, Nigeria. Actually, I just came here to show you guys what it looks like for people that have never been here. This is Jabi Lake Mall. So guys, this is Domino's Pizza. This is the back view. Actually, we'll go inside. I think the entrance is inside. We'll go inside. This is the mall, as you can see, Jabi Lake Mall in Abuja, Nigeria. So guys, I'm going inside now. Good afternoon. I'm sorry. Let's go now. We need to hold it though. So guys, this is me here. We just entered Jabi Lake Mall in Abuja, Nigeria. Let me show you guys my face. So guys, this is me. I just got to Jabi Lake Mall. It's not same in Jabi Lake Mall in Abuja, Nigeria, and we have varieties of companies and businesses here where you can buy stuff. Okay, see this mannequin is tying a scarf like me, guys. He's tying a scarf like me, so this is the raining thing. Tie your scarf like this. So I'll just take you guys. This is where you buy your wares. This is where you buy your wares. And straight down we have Ventro furniture. So I want to see if I can get something here. Good afternoon. Okay, I have earrings here. I don't know, I think I like this one.
Hello, sir. And I told her that, you know, I don't.
Okay, these are rings.
I don't keep money.
Okay.
The only way I can get the money.
Let me just go around and see if I can, if I'll find anything I like. Music lovers, see your audio headphones here.
I know now. I know. Yeah. She did not even. She was telling me some jokes that I said, "See, come, you are disturbing me like this."
I don't know. Guys, see your girl. Forever beautiful. This girl is so beautiful. Like, yeah, forever beautiful. Guys, so I'm going to ShopRite, and because I'm very hungry, so I'll just go to ShopRite and get a drink. We need to drink something. The day has been hectic, guys, so I'll just go and get a drink. So here we are.
So now, as I know you drop
so before you enter, you drop your bag and they'll give you a sticker.
What if I don't drop my nose?
They'll give you a sticker, and that is what it's going to be. So the food section is over there. Guys, there are different things here. I don't even know. What should I eat? So I like this chicken pasta, this egg and sauce. I don't know what should I eat. So there are varieties here. I don't know what to eat. I don't know what to eat. Okay, let me eat this chicken pasta. I'll just eat this chicken pasta. Let me taste it and see. I think it's my turn to be served. Good afternoon, madam. Please, I want this. Is this spaghetti?
I can hear you now.
Okay, please let me eat. So guys, I'm going to be eating this chicken pasta. Please, I want plenty chicken now. I want this chicken pasta. I think that will be all I'll be taking because I'm already broke. I don't have money again, so I'll just eat this and that will be all for now. Yes, it's okay, ma. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to make payment for this now. Sorry. I'm going to make payment for this. This is all I got. This is all I got, and this. So this is all I'll be getting.
That's it. Come on. You know I don't finish this.
So she's attending to us now.
I don't know who did your window.
She's attending to me now. So this is all I'll be getting. This is all I'll be getting.
This place is cold.
I'll be getting now. So sorry, sir. Let me go to the other side.
This is the wheat bread.
So I'm putting my pin now.
I used to buy that
Please let's not forget our basket though. Okay, because I've even forgotten. I just remembered.
Don't take it to account. Do you have another account?
Why is it not going now? Hope I won't be debited.
When it is debited your bank.
So guys, I'm done and I'm going home now. No, not home. I'm going to somewhere to eat my food. Can we go now? So guys, I don't want to forget my bag, so I'm here to get my bag. So when I get my bag, I'll go close to the lake and see what it's all about. This is Abuja, Nigeria, and I'll just get my bag now and then go somewhere to sit down and eat my food because your baby girl is starving. Okay guys, I'm going to the lake side now. I don't know if you guys can see from afar, but I'm sure going to the lake side to sit somewhere and eat food. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So guys, this is the lake. Oh my god, it's looking so different. The last time I came here, guys, was 4 years ago. So this is the lake side of Jabi Lake Mall. This is the lake side, guys. This is the lake side, so I'll just look for somewhere to sit and eat my food because the baby girl is starving. And this is the mall, guys.
He's trying to give me.
Yeah, guys, this is the lake. This is the lake, Jabi Lake in Abuja, Nigeria. Guys, at this junction, I would like to remind you guys to like, as usual. You already know what to do now. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, you are missing out. Subscribe now if you don't want me to cry. Subscribe and like my video and share with your friends. Let me know what you feel or what you like about my video. This is Abuja in Nigeria, guys. So I'll just sit here now and eat my lovely chicken. Guys, this is what I'm going to be eating right now. It's called chicken pasta. It's spaghetti that has plenty chicken inside. So I like chicken, so this is what I'm going to be eating. Anybody that has not eaten it before should come. Come, let me direct you to where you can eat it. Come to Jabi Lake shop right. Jabi Lake shop right, and you shall see this. I just hope and pray that it's tasty. Actually, guys, let me just open this thing with my 2 hands. So guys, this is what I'm going to be eating. It's quite tasty. Chicken everywhere. This is what I need in my life. Yeah. I love chicken a lot. This is what I'm going to do with water, coke, Okay, so I'm very happy. Like, I'm on my way now to the airport. My flight is in less than 2 hours time, but I just want to go on time so that I don't even want stories. I don't want to miss anything. I don't want to miss my flight, because that's the last flight of the day. So that's what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, so I'll update you guys as well. I'll update you guys when I get to there. Guys, this is immigration headquarters. So we are finally heading to the airport. So guys, I just got to the entrance of the airport. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys. This is the entrance of the airport right now, and there's queue small. There's queue small, so I'll just, I don't know.
This guy, yeah.
Okay, I don't know. It's like we can see it here. So I'm entering the gate now.
I pray my friend is not one.
Yeah guys, I just got, see guys, see my nail has removed though, because of too much paparazzi. This nail has removed though. I have to go and refill, or I think I'll just remove it. I'm not happy, like I'm not even happy about it, but I'm going to flaunt it like that. Person will go like it, so regardless, I'm going to flaunt it. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, as in, you know. So guys, we are getting closer and closer and closer, guys. We're getting closer and closer and closer, guys. Okay, maybe we'll go in. Okay guys, I just got to the airport now. So I'm trying to look for somewhere to park, then come down with my luggage, and we proceed from here, guys. So guys, I'm about to take the lift to the departure hall. Like this thing, you just have to have might to climb this thing. So I'm going to the departure hall now while I wait for my flight. It's already late. already late. I think any moment from now they should be calling for boarding. So hi guys, it's getting darker and darker, and they just announced now that the arrival time for the aircraft is by 8:50. That is 10 minutes to 9. It's so unfair. It's so tired right now. What am I going to get to? It's getting darker and darker outside. So thank you. So I'm going now to the aircraft. Everybody's just rushing.
I was calling you, you didn't pick your call.
I picked my call, but you ended the call. Guys, I'm here with a friend of mine. I'm not going to show you guys his face without his consent. His name is Victor, and he's quite busy. So he got me upset. He got me upset the last time we spoke.
And my girlfriend,
so
that you from school.
I'm not going to show his face because I'm very obsessed with him right now.
Show his face. That's my girlfriend though. I don't have a girlfriend.
Excuse me.
So you dump her?
Excuse
me.
Don't mind him, please. So I'm going right now. Victor, see you.
Come now.
I'm going.
You come there, but you don't go. You stay small. Hey, I'm making money.
Guys, he does not want me to go, and I'm very tired. I'm very, very tired.
Where am I seeing your face here?
Do you want to see? Do you want me to show them your face?
Yes, now go ahead now. I fear them.
Alright, say hello to my friends on YouTube.
Who are they?
Say hello to my friends on YouTube now.
Hello.
You are going to see yourself live on YouTube.
You're not going How fun now?
I'm fine. How are you? Alright, so my friend has finally left me to go, and I'm trying to catch up with the rest. Almost everybody has gone, so I'm trying to catch up with the rest, guys. So that's what I'm going to do now. Guys, I'm trying to check if to be sure that I didn't forget my ID card. My ID card is intact, so I'm going to get the bus now to go to the airplane. Finally. So I'll update you guys. I don't know. I should be at the aircraft soonest.